Apple.
Apple.
What's this?
C.
Very good. C is for, what's this?
Cat.
Cat. What's the sound of a cat?
Meow.
Woo! Very good. What's this?
D.
D is for?
Duck.
Oh,
Yay.
very good. What is this?
E.
E is for? What?
What? What?
Elephant.
Elephant. Say elephant. Sige na. This one na lang. What's this?
Of.
F. F is for?
Frog.
Frog. Very good. This one. Olivia.
C.
No?
No.
What's this? This one.
No.
Goat. So this is
G.
G. This one.
H.
H. H is for hamster. Ikaw, say hamster. Oh, say hamster.
No.
This one.
Yeah.
Yay! This one.
I.
I is for
Anna.
iguana. Yay! This one.
Yeah.
J. J is for? What's this?
Fish.
Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Sige na, say jellyfish. Jellyfish. This one. What's this?
K.
K is for?
U.
Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Okay, this one.
L.
Whoa! L is for? What's this?
Lion.
Lion.
My.
This. What's this? Olivia, what's this?
Monkey.
So what's this?
L.
Yay! One more. Oi, what's this? Olivia. Okay, skip.
N.
O.
O is for?
Owl.
Owl. This one
P.
is for? What's this? Pig. Yay. This one.
U.
Q is for? What's this? Quail.
Game.
One more. Napa. Olivia, what's this? What's this? Sige na. Sige na lang. R is for? Raccoon.
Welcome.
Kani.
S.
S is for? What's this?
Basta.
Huh?
Basta.
Kani ba?
Basta.
Spider.
Basta.
Oh, ganda. Spider. Kani. Huy.
S.
O, lagi S, lagi na. This one.
T.
T is for? What's T is for... Away, lami na eh. Turtle. Kani. Sige na, Olivia. Kani. U. What's this? U is for urchin. Urchin. Kani. V is for vulture. Lisod man to nimo. Kani. What's this, Olivia? Kani ba? Double. W. W is for... What's this?
Fish.
Diri, uy. Wolf. Kani na lang. Kani. X is for...
Fish.
X-ray. Say X-ray. This one. Yay! Y is for? Yak. Last one. Yay! Z is for? Yay! Very good.
Yay!
Tanaw ni Tita Mara.
Yay!
Okay. That's enough.